Hey guys, this is Mike from Half the Battle Toys, and I just wanted to do a couple of quick unboxings for you today. As you can see in front of me, I just picked up the Legendary Heroes New Age. This is their version of Prowl, aka Harry. So here you go. So this is what it looks like. Put a couple of pieces together so you guys can see the differences between some of the other Legends style figures. And as you know, this is a newer company. They've just come out with Bumblebee, which was fantastic. And this is their second release of a character that they've done so far. And I think he's perfect, but I'll let you guys decide. All right. So he comes in his G1 form. He's got some great ball joints and different things like that, but I'll put that down. I was uncertain about the size until I got him home and took a look at him. I'm just going to dump these out on the table here. So he's got his weapons that plug in and are adjustable. Got his normal gun, regular gun, looks just as G1 as ever. And he's got some great articulation. The legs pop apart. He's got a swivel joint. He's got a swivel joint here. You see that? So the wheels don't fold in, but that's okay. Neither do they on a Masterpiece version of this character. I just wanted to show you guys all the articulation that this thing has. It is loaded with articulation for such a tiny character. As you can see, its size is, whew. So we have normal forward and backwards rotation on a ball joint, side to side. It's a little loose. It could be a little bit tight. He's got almost a double joint here. So if you pull this guy way back, you can like fold down. Extreme sideways rotation for different poses. Dynamic stance. He's got a swivel on the hip, and he also has ab crunch as well. Shoulders, he's got this extra little shoulder movement right here that helps with some different movements. He's double jointed here because he's got this movement here and then also this movement here. So you can really get some good poses. His wrists do not swivel, but I can live with that. And then that is pretty much it. This is what the back looks like. Forgot to show you guys that. So he looks good. Looks good in all directions. So there you have it. As far as a G1 look, I think this guy nails it. And I just love the size of these guys. So we'll go ahead and put him next to a couple of different figures here. Let's see. So first one that I like to put him next to is Magic Square's version of Sea Spray. And as you can see, he's just about the same height as Sea Spray. If you actually look at Toy World's version of Sea Spray and MP10 or Masterpiece version of Prowl, they are right within the size ratio. I actually prefer the size of this Optimus Prime over the DX9. So this is Hot Soldiers Optimus Prime. You can see here. Great size comparison. The only one that seems to be missing the mark right now is Magic Square's version of Sideswipe is a little bit taller than he should be. I always felt that from the beginning when I first got him. So maybe somebody will come out with a slightly smaller version. I think New Age is going to be working on their whole line of car bots, and so we'll have to see what happens when they come out with theirs. But we do a quick size comparison with Prowl and Sea Spray from a Masterpiece line. Okay, so you can see here, this is Masterpiece's Prowl. This is the official Takara version. So you can see that. And this is Toy World's version of Sea Spray. I actually like this guy because he's kind of dumpy looking, and they're just about the same height. So that makes me very happy. And so that's it. So look out for the next one. I'll be doing the transformation if you guys want to see that. And stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and you'll start seeing some more stuff for Half the Battle Toys, because knowing is half the battle.